What is health? Health is a multidimensional concept that encompasses physical, mental, and social well-being. It is not merely the absence of disease or illness, rather, it is a holistic state wherein individuals can lead an active and fulfilling life. The World Health Organization (WHO) defines health as a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. This definition emphasizes the importance of various aspects of health that contribute to overall quality of life. Physical health refers to the optimal functioning of the body and its systems. It involves maintaining a healthy weight, engaging in regular physical activity, and consuming a balanced diet rich in essential nutrients. Good physical health is crucial for preventing chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. Regular checkups and screenings are also essential for early detection and management of potential health issues. Adequate rest and proper hygiene practices further contribute to physical well-being. Mental health is equally vital to overall health and encompasses emotional, psychological, and social well-being. It influences how individuals think, feel, and act, as well as how they handle stress, relate to others, and make choices. Mental health issues, such as anxiety and depression, can significantly impact daily functioning and quality of life. Promoting mental health involves developing coping strategies, seeking support from friends and family, and engaging in activities that bring joy and fulfillment. Professional help, such as therapy or counseling, can also play a crucial role in managing mental health challenges. Social health refers to the ability to form satisfying interpersonal relationships and adapt to various social situations. A strong social network can provide emotional support, reduce stress, and enhance overall well-being. Engaging in community activities, maintaining friendships, and nurturing family relationships are essential components of social health. Individuals with strong social connections often experience greater happiness and a sense of belonging, which can positively impact both mental and physical health. Lifestyle choices play a significant role in determining an individual's health. Factors such as diet, exercise, sleep, and stress management can greatly influence overall well-being. Adopting healthy habits, such as eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, avoiding tobacco and excessive alcohol, and managing stress, can lead to improved health outcomes. Conclusion: in summary, health is a comprehensive concept that encompasses physical, mental, and social dimensions. Achieving and maintaining good health requires a holistic approach that includes healthy lifestyle choices, regular medical checkups, and attention to mental and social well-being. By prioritizing health in all its forms, individuals can enhance their quality of life and enjoy a more fulfilling existence. Ultimately, health is not just about living longer, it is about living better.